Hello.
Anyway, parang medyo na-gets ko.
Jet lost his wallet.
I lost my wallet and my bag, but the great lady of Sandringham Station found it. Thank you, great lady of Sandringham Station.
We were just running around for like 2 hours looking for it in the train stations.
Great lady of Sandringham Station.
I hope the cash is still there.
Yeah, maybe the driver took it. I don't care if he took it. Well, I do. But
I hope he left like
a bit.
yeah, or I hope he
50.
only got a bit.
Yeah. I don't mind if he did. Like, okay.
I don't think.
As long as he gave it back. But look guys, the sun is so bright. The weather is so perfect. The leaves are so green. The animals are out and about. The world is at peace. My goodness. It's so amazing.
Are you ready to get your bag?
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Such a lifesaver.
No problem. Just check everything is there. There was no money in the wallet. Did you kept any money?
Yeah, we had cash.
Because what happened at Middle Brighton station,
Yeah.
a guy was standing on the other platform
Okay.
waiting for the train to come. When the
Okay.
train approached, he gave this back to the driver. The driver didn't know where this man got the bag and everything, but all the other things are here.
So it was in Middle Brighton.
Middle Brighton.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No worries, no worries. No problem.
Okay. Took the cash, but got the
It was a
bag.
lot, so
It's a
yeah.
lot. Okay. Hindi naman masyadong malamig. Di ba? Okay lang naman. Di ba? Going to Mornington Beach for today. Peninsula.
Shula sila dito.
Talaga?
Oo.
What? First time to drink tap water.
The second best.
Second best in the world.
Second best tap
Ay,
water
hindi. Second best
in Australia.
Municipal
Municipal
best
water.
In the world.
Best in the world.
One of the best. Pala in the world.
Tinry nila lahat ng tap water.
Tapos mamaya,
I think this one.
ooh, it looks bright, but it's actually cold. Actually bearable yung cold. Pero pag hinangin na, like, hindi na siya masaya.
Supposed to be
Like, yeah, dapat nga eh. But no, it's still so freaking cold. What the fuck? Whew, okay. Whoa, we're in the woods. Tingle picnic area.
Bagyo lang tayo
Oh, actually Baguio lang to. Videoan ko na lang.
Oh my God. Bagalan
Ooh,
natin, bagalan.
cold food.
Yun nga eh, nakita ko kanina ang cute ko. Ang kulay. Kabudol.
Whoa. Finally doing something in nature here in Melbourne. Riding to the beach to check out the beach. Yeah, this is a great experience. Can't wait for the other naturey things to do here in Melbourne. Crikey, mate. We are here in the jungles of Fingal Park. Okay, so we've started our walk along the park trail. The path is clear, so it feels very safe, and it's nice to experience what woods are like. I don't know, parang sa Pilipinas naman, can't really consider any of the places like woods. They're all like jungles. It's nice to finally experience something like it. I used to believe we were burning on the edge of on the figure. So baby, don't take us her in the backseat of your Rover. Anong beach to? Sorry.
I'm not sure. I think it's Guatemala.
Watermelon Beach. Guatemala. Amazing views. Look at the waves. Slow mo.
You can see the South Pole.
In the backseat of your Rover that I know you can afford, like that tattoo on your shoulder for the streets around. Hindi ka na alam lyrics. So we're now heading back from being in the lookout, and the trail goes up and down, and for the first time pinawisan ako sa Melbourne out of like pagod, and it's so weird kasi ang lamig ng pawis ko. What the fuck? Lamig ng pawis ko.
Ako rin. Parang hindi ko ma-understand.
Holy shit. Someone come say, walking in the jungle. We are afraid. Joke lang. We're not actually lost. We're walking back to the parking after a long trail na nakakapagod. In Melbourne. I experienced it. Yes, my life is fulfilled. That was a cool experience. Now my feet feel warm because the water was ice cold.
Nabinyagan na siya.
Ang lamig sobra sa paa. Pero ngayon, dahil malamig yun,
He's now an Australian.
I guess I'm an Australian or whatever.
Sila. Para mag-glide na.
Hindi, kasi yung hangin. Hindi siya maka...
Ayan na. Ayan. Gagalaw na siya. Away. It's a bay. Right there. Look at the bay. taking a leisurely walk to watch a play. Di naman kami nagmamadali.
Hindi naman masyado.
Di naman masyado. Nagmamadali na kami. We have to be there. We're a bit behind on time. I hope we make it. Clutch it. We made it. Hamilton praise. So I was just in the bathroom and they were playing Biggie Smalls in the toilet. This theater is bussin', respectfully.
Please note, outcomes will not be interviewed during
I think no more videos past a certain point, so see you after the show. Alexander Hamilton. I'm not throwing away my shot. Oh, was it a good show?
Yes.
She cried.
Sulit
So
yung
sulit bayan. Okay, everyone watch Hamilton or any type of play. It's nice. It's a good experience.